Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Khosrow Sokhanbar, trader and investor in financial markets. Let's take a look at Bitcoin chart. Okay, we already told you that there is a flag line here that we see it as a final target. Like if I draw it very precisely, it will be somewhere around 90,000 to $100,000. Okay, we're not gonna talk more about this trading range and our idea about the target of this bull run. If you haven't watched our previous videos, you can watch them and you see that how we concluded first from here that we're gonna touch all-time high again without any major corrections, and then how we decided that this trend line can be our target. Okay, we already know that this area was a trading range for us, and still it's a trading range, but something is happening. We are now again about this uh, top line of this trading range. But what is happening right now? There could be two scenarios. The first scenario that didn't happen was that from here, the price from here, for example, breaks this resistance with a very high volume, full body green candle, like this. If I change the color, okay, like this. And then we could consider this as a breakout of the upper line of this trading range. So we could have a target around $169,000 for Bitcoin, but it didn't happen. What's happening right now is that we broke it, but with a channel, not with a spike like this, not with powerful candles, with uh, corrections one after another. And now, after this channel, spike channel here, like this, we are in a trading range between these two zones, between here and here. Okay, so we are not seeing any spike breaking out this upper line. So we can't say that the target can be the double price of this trading range. When a trading range is broken with a powerful candle, the target will be the double of the height of this trading range. Like if I do this like this, it's the trading range, we double it, it could be the target, but it didn't happen. So I just put it here back. In this case, we are still in this big trading range. Even if we go further with these corrections, we are still in this trading range because it has not been broken. So our target can be this flag line here. If I attach these two highs together, there will be a trend line that we call it as a flag in our methodology. So this flag line can be our target. So I expect the price to go with corrections again, like this, with corrections, and finally hit the trend line somewhere around 90k to 100k dollar. Okay, so it was about Bitcoin. I should mention that nothing in this YouTube channel is a financial advice. It's just for educational purpose. So if you trade based on these analyses, all the responsibility are on you. So we are not responsible for any loss or any profit that you are taking or you are giving. But I should mention that here is not a place to buy anymore, in my opinion, because the risk to reward ratio is not good. If you enter here, like with a long position in Bitcoin, you have to put your stop loss under this trading range. But your target can be here. So you will get a risk to reward of 0.61. That is very bad, very bad. So it's not time to enter Bitcoin anymore if you haven't already entered. If you have entered here or here in lower prices, in my opinion, it's not a bad place to risk your portfolio. For example, you can cash out your initial investment and put the rest to play to whatever target you have based on whatever methodology you know. Okay, let's take a look to other altcoins. We start with my favorite one, ADA. Here, we have had a spike here, this candle, if I zoom in, this breakout candles here, that they broke this important trend line here. And then we enter the channel like this. First the channel was this, then it was extended here, and now we have a higher high. This is high, this is higher high. So we can again extend this trend line. So our new trend line is 1 touch, 2 touch, and we see the reaction from the 3rd touch. So we again expect the price to go up to these targets that we already in previous videos we talked about. Around the first target can be around 93 cents, and the second target can be $1.26. But overall, we expect the price to hit that all-time high again. Not anytime soon, but finally. Okay, about algo. If I remove this thing. Okay, here we have a very important flag line, but the price might go up first, then comes out and hit this flag line before going up. So there might be no difference between entering here or waiting for here. If I wanted to buy algo, I would enter right now without waiting for this trend line. And Mina Protocol, my other favorite altcoin here, same story, spike, and this channel we have had a first fake breakout here, so we extend it. Again, another fake breakout here, again pull back to this trend line, respecting it and going up. I'm seeing a ascending triangle here. So it's a classic pattern of ascending triangle in my opinion, and the target can be around $5.51. About Ethereum, same story as Bitcoin. It was a spike, then from here to here, channel, broken channel, and it's now in trading range in my opinion. Here and here. And still the target is around all-time high and this flag line, but it's not a good price to enter Ethereum in my opinion, for the same reason as Bitcoin, because risk-reward ratio is not good on Ethereum anymore. The same story about Solana. In my opinion, the risk-to-reward ratio for Solana is not good, because we are already almost at all-time high. About Zilliqa, here we see that it's again respected the break-even of this broken trend line and going up, also this classic support zone. So we still expect Zilliqa to go up. The eventual target in my opinion for this move can be around 10 cents. And about Cake or PancakeSwap, it already touched our target, but it can also go further. But where I'm waiting to buy, if I want to buy, it's this trend line, like the bottom trend line of this channel, spike and kind of channel. So again, for Cake, in my opinion, it's not good entry price, even though in my opinion it can go to this zone around $9. Okay, I think it's enough. Let's look to Polkadot 2 that is already in flag line. And yeah, I just saw it. And first touch, second touch, and almost third touch. It can be very, very good entry price for Polkadot. So it can go through a spike. Because in our methodology, we recognize the spikes before they happen by using this flag theory. We are in trading range here, broken channel, then trading range. This is channel, then trading range here and here. So in trading range, in order to recognize the spikes or very powerful candles and moves, we use these flag lines here, first touch, second touch, and we are in the third touch. So it's a very good entry price in my opinion for Polkadot. Okay, I hope this analysis also be useful for you. I wish you the best. My name is Khosrow Sohambar, trader and investor in financial markets.